Stepping onto a basic bathroom scale only gives you a single, frustrating number that treats muscle, fat, and water like they're all the same thing. The RENPHO MorphoScan Nova Smart Scale completely shatters that limitation, bringing advanced, clinic-level body composition analysis directly into your morning routine. Wrapped in a stunning dark blue finish, this premium 8-electrode scale is designed for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and anyone who wants a hyper-detailed, anatomical map of their health journey. The massive breakthrough here lies in the architecture of the scale itself. Standard smart scales are foot-to-foot, meaning they pass an electrical current up one leg and down the other, completely guessing what's happening in your upper body. The MorphoScan Nova features a retractable handle fitted with 4 built-in metallic hand electrodes to complement the 4-foot sensors on the premium, ITO-coated glass base. By utilizing cutting-edge, dual-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis, it isolates and measures 5 distinct zones of your body independently: your left arm, left leg, right leg, and torso. It provides a localized breakdown of fat and muscle distribution that boasts a remarkable 98% correlation to medical-grade DEXA scans. Tracking your metrics is incredibly fluid thanks to the brilliant 4.3-inch full-color TFT LCD screen built directly into the handle. You can scroll through 9 full pages of detailed charts, muscle-to-fat ratios, goals, and historical trends right on the handlebar without ever needing to pull your phone out of your pocket. For a deeper dive, the scale pairs via Bluetooth to the RENPHO Health app, unlocking a playground of over 50 comprehensive health indicators, including BMI, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, and metabolic age. Best of all, RENPHO offers full access to your data, trends, and doctor-ready reports with absolutely zero hidden subscription paywalls. Daily utility is packed with premium, thoughtful features. The scale supports unlimited user profiles and automatically recognizes exactly who stepped on the moment their feet touch the glass. It features a built-in speaker for clear voice prompts to guide you through the ideal posture during your 25-second scan. The entire system is powered by an internal, USB-C rechargeable battery that delivers up to 150 days of battery life on a single charge. As an added financial bonus, this advanced wellness tracker is fully FSA and HSA eligible, meaning you can buy it using your pre-tax healthcare dollars. If you are ready to stop playing the guessing game with your weight, ditch blind dieting, and finally see exactly where you are building muscle and losing fat across your body, this 8-electrode smart scale is the ultimate fitness command center. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are tracking muscle gain or fat loss, and I will see you in the next video.